Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and to my page wherever you're seeing this from. अगर आप ये वीडियो 11th September से पहले देख रहे हैं, if you're watching this video before 11th September, then this message is for you. The 999 portal is active and it's high time that we do a 999 portal special reading. So today I have two piles for you. Each pile consists of 3 cards and a crystal. So this is the beautiful labradorite, this is the beautiful smoky quartz. Take a couple of deep breaths, focus, and choose the deck or choose the pile that you're intuitively drawn to. That being said, now I have divided each pile into 3 parts. So one card is going to be speaking about the blessings that this portal brings for us. The second one speaks of any sort of baggage from a past lifetime, or maybe an ancestral baggage that you could be carrying. And the third one is going to be a guidance. So I'm going to be using a combination of various oracles and tarot. So on that note, hope you've chosen the pile by now. Let's begin the reading. We will start with the labradorite pile. Let's see what the pile has to say. And okay, so this is the beautiful labradorite. Labradorite is one of my favorite crystals. A lot of protection, a lot of magic. It's this, you look at this beautiful flashes that it has, the Labrador essence. And let's have a look at the cards, what your cards have to reveal. So this is the blessing that this portal brings you. This is the ancestral baggage or the karmic baggage that you could be carrying. And this, of course, is the guidance for you from my tarot deck. So let's decode your reading. So look at the first card. So I think the blessing that the universe sends you now is in the form of a relationship. Though the card says proposal, but I feel that your relationships could be moving on to the next level. This could be your marriage, or this could be your relationship with your partner, which should move to the next level now. The blessing that the universe sends you is a strengthened relationship, happiness, and something is about to complete, something is about to reach its final level or its level of completion. The second card that I asked for, what kind of karmic baggage do you need to release? So we've received the wars and battles. So there is some form of aggression, there is some form of hurt that either you sent it to somebody or somebody sent it to you, that you've been kind of carrying through the lifetimes. So if you do a ritual today to release what you need to release any sort of hurt that may have gone from you to somebody, or a hurt that you've been carrying, something that is the result of some kind of an aggression. We see wars and battles, and I think that this keeps coming back into your life in the form of some sort of confrontation, something gone wrong, some sort of an aggression that continuously keeps coming up, and relationships that kind of break, or reciprocation that you do not see. The guidance for you that comes from tarot is 7 of swords. So you have to be aware of your surroundings, you have to protect yourself against all kind of deceptions, be a little extra alert during this time. I think this goes on for the rest of the 2026, because this portal kasar and the eclipses effect is going to stay for at least next 3 to 4 months. So be a little aware of your surroundings, keep your precious things with care. This may include your wallet, this may include your relationships, this may include anything that really matters to you. So keep them safe, keep checking on them every now and then, and be aware, be a little alert for anybody who seems to be too sweet around you, because they probably are too sweet to be true. So that's what the reading brings for you. I hope this bit resonates. Moving on to the next pile, the smoky quartz, a beautiful grounding crystal, fantastic for people who find themselves often overwhelmed by a lot of emotions. This is an amazing crystal to work with. Let's see what your cards have to say. So we have in place of the blessings, we have the thorns. So you've sort of been facing a lot of challenges lately, and things have been blocking your path. every step you take, there is some sort of a delay, some sort of a challenge that kind of keeps coming up. The universe is blessing you now with the removal of these thorns, and you see a bright sun when coming up for you. So I think this is what reaches completion. This is what removes is released from your path, and then you move towards this bright sunlight, also with these glittery stars, which is my symbol for hope. So this now, what is it that you're carrying, probably from a past lifetime, or what kind of a baggage it is that you're carrying? Health issues. So if you're someone who's facing recurrent health issues, or who just feels that health issues keep coming back to you or somebody very close to you in the family, or there is some kind of a constant nagging where health is concerned, then this is a baggage that you've been carrying from the past. So today, when you do a release ritual, make sure that you do something to release your health issues. Also, there is a pattern. Understand that pattern and work on it. When we receive the health card, another meaning to that is that if you do have health issues, stop owning them, stop speaking about them like there's something that's permanent and that cannot be removed. Today is the time when you take, once we address this issue here, and when you start taking steps towards it, they are going to work 100 times better for you. So keep that in mind and start taking positive actions in the direction of your healthcare. The third card that we've received, the guidance that we've received, is the Ace of Swords. So aces in tarot is always a good news. And though it's a sword, we know that the sword is a double-edged weapon. And one blade of the sword is towards somebody else, one blade of the sword is towards you. So make sure that if you do, try not to point fingers at people, try not to use harsh words, harsh thoughts for other people, because the other blade faces you as well. Also, because it's the ace, and if you look at this particular deck, the sword and the wreath appear together, so that you're clearly heading towards abundance and prosperity. You're headed for success, but try and rely on your intellect. Have more faith in your intelligence, have more faith in your ideas, and you are going to see the breakthrough. Also, if you're listening to this message and if you are associated with something to do with books, something to do with writing, something to do with forming contracts, something to do with expressing yourself, whether verbally or whether in a written manner, then this is a great sign for you. And it sort of tells me that you're now headed for success. All the blocks that have been on your path, all the thorns that have been on your path are now going to be removed. So just enjoy this blessing, enjoy this beautiful time of success. So on that note, hoping that this 999 portal brings you lots of love, lots of luck, lots of happiness, and may all your all the things that you no longer need, may all the things that you've been trying to banish be released, and they make place for many blessings coming your way. Till then, until next video, take care of yourselves, and don't forget to put it in the comment box that I claim all the miracles sent to me on this 999 portal. Till then, take care, and I'll see you all soon.